Hey, 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 the Traveling Bee is back. Destination Nashville, Tennessee. This video is going to be just a little bit different than my other videos because I'm actually on my annual guys trip. I have 3 buddies that live up in Oklahoma City, and we take a trip every year to a different state. This year it just happens to be Nashville, and it just happens to be during the CMA Fest, so it was pretty wild. Anyway, they decided to drive. I flew. I met them in Memphis. We hung out on Bill Street, had some barbecue while we were there, and the very next day hit the road to Nashville. So hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know what you think, and let's get started.
What's going on, man?
Not much, man. Looking good. How was the drive?
Oh, it was great. It was amazing, man.
Randy was all right. I see Zach is driving now. What up, what up? Appreciate it, fellas. Oh, shit. What's up, man? What's up?
Beard looks good.
Hey, are you drunk?
I'm
Not
here.
you, I'm talking about Randy.
No, he's like
Is he tired? What's wrong with you, man?
He drove the entire trip.
Yeah.
Good job, brher.
He woke up at 2. He's been up since 2.
Since 2? You've been nervous?
Yeah.
Memphis was great. Then we hit the road and drove to this beautiful Tennessee countryside on our way into Nashville. The first stop is going to be Leipers Fork. We had a reservation for a distillery there, so that was pretty cool. We also hit the Jack Daniel's distillery while we were on this trip. So if you ever find yourself in this part of Tennessee, I highly recommend hitting both of these.
So here we go again, it's no surprise. We know better than to roll the dice. So take this love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. Come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay
Freddie, it's Leslie from Lynchburg. I just wanted to show you your little plot of land out here. Thank you for all your dedication to Jack and being a Tennessee Squire. Hope you're enjoying that whiskey.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure, Leslie.
Thank you, dear.
All right.
As we look up at the stars in the sky, did we ever stop and wondered why we let our love shine all through the night? Just you and me, babe, until the morning light. The morning light. Come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. Just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night, keep dancing. We stay up until the morning light. The morning light. Don't be out of sight. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. We're dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning. Stay up until the morning light.
Had a great time visiting distilleries, but it was time to get some food in our system. I had a chance to meet up with a friend of mine for over 20 years that lives in the Nashville area, Mr. Kent. He joined us at Hattie B's Nashville Hot Fried Chicken, I think, if I'm pronouncing that correct. I was a little nervous at first about going there because, you know, tourist traps always seem to disappoint, but this place is pretty good. So if you're ever in Nashville, give it a shot. After dinner was over, it was time to get to the real reason we came to Nashville, and that was to hang out. My buddy Randy set up a pub crawl for us where we hit a number of bars. I don't think we crawled on any bars. We were close, and I can't remember how many we hit, 5 or 6. But they were in the Printers Alley area, also on Broadway. It was a bunch of fun. We had a good time. We also had a chance to meet a lot of people from New York, from New Hampshire. These 3 ladies here, they're from Minnesota. The one in the middle, her name is Jen. She's actually here on her bachelorette party. And of course, why not? Nashville is the bachelorette capital of the world. So we saw a lot of bachelorette parties going on around the city. So it was pretty cool. But yeah, it's time to go party. So let's go check this out.
So, for my YouTube channel, tell me, how did you pick Nashville for your trip?
My bridesmaids picked it.
You picked Nashville? How did you pick Nashville?
The lady picked Nashville because it was like bachelor Nashville, and we love country music.
Awesome. You guys having a good time?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's phenomenal. That's great, man. I love it. Yeah, this guy's drunk. It's not country like I thought.
All right, so
first by telling me your name.
Kelly Annenson,
Kelly, and where are you from?
Des Moines, Iowa.
Des Moines, Iowa. A lovely state. So, is this your first time in Nashville?
It is.
And your thoughts are?
I love it.
You love it? Would you
We've had
come
a
back?
blast. Oh, yeah, absolutely.
What was your favorite part?
The music.
The music. Did you have any good food or anything like that here?
Yeah.
It's all right.
Drinks.
The drinks? I love it. Okay, so last question for you. What would you recommend for people who are traveling here for the first time?
Well, I guess I would recommend an event like CMA Fest.
Okay.
I think it's a great introduction to the city, and obviously you hear a lot of great music. So.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Okay.
That was simple, right?
Man, what you recording, man?